Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Country Inn & Suites by Radisson, Pierre, South Dakota. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Offering free Wi-Fi, Country Inn & Suites by Radisson, Pierre, South Dakota is less than 1 mile away from the South Dakota State Capitol. Cable TV is provided in every room. For additional convenience, a microwave and refrigerator are also included. Laundry service is available at the Country Inn & Suites by Radisson and free parking is provided on site. D Discovery Center Aquarium is 2 miles away from this hotel. Framboise Island can be reached in 3 minutes drive. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.